This is one of the most crazy and surprising experiments of all time. You know how when you were young you were taught to never crack your knuckles? Some people even claimed it would give you arthritis or other side effects with no scientific evidence. That was until this man, Dr. L. Unger, decided he was going to do an experiment to put the debate to rest. When he was younger, his mom told him not to crack his knuckles with no evidence as to why. So he decided to do something crazy and crack only his left hand every single day. And his experiment went on for 60 years. That's 60 years of only cracking his left hand and not his right. After all those years, he finally went to get an x-ray, and the results were so shocking that it baffled him, doctors, and scientists all around the world. Click the plus for part 2, it's coming soon.